सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Chapter 12, verse number 18. समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समसङ्गविवर्जितः. The human nature or tendency is to follow something into one's life. What am I going to get by following this? What benefit I am going to derive from this? This is the basic, immediate question will arise in the mind of a person. Therefore, the person who wants to follow something or implement something, the person find out whether there is anyone used this before or followed this, implemented this, whether she or he got benefit anything. So we verify that previous person who got this benefit or anything for that matter. For our household, whatever we use in our house, before buying anything, we'll ask, this gadget or this thing anybody has got previously, have they used it? Will it work properly? We verify. After verifying only, if we are satisfied only, we will buy. This is universally common for everyone. Just like that, we don't buy it and we don't want to have it and we don't want to take risk also. This is natural. Similarly, when Shastra is talking about a Jnani, the person who has attained knowledge and moksha and he is happy, go on, Shastra is talking. Then a person who wants to study Shastra later, is there any person previously have attained this Jnanam? If he has or she has attained Jnanam, how was he or she behaves? What is the benefit? How is his interaction with the world? What are the consequences in his life? Will he be totally happy? Or will he be free from disease? Will he be free from all sorrows? Is it true? The verification we want. For that verification only, Lord Krishna, 3 places he points out that person who has attained, these are the indications, clues you can find out. You see such a person, if they have these characteristics, they are called Jnanis, you can follow them. Very, very difficult to find a person in the society who has reached this status. How to know this person? Bhagavan says that person is called Sthita Prajnaha, Parabhaktaha, Gunatitaha. That person will have these characteristics. You check that person. Go to that person. If these characteristics are there, you can follow him, you can proceed. then this is called model. You follow that model. Without model, we cannot accept. We cannot accept, and we come to conclusion, bhakti is sufficient for me. Meditation is sufficient for me. Or social service is sufficient for me. Why I have to go to Gita class and study? With difficult to climb the first staircase. Why I have to go? These are the questions will arise in the mind. I am fine only. Everything is fine. I am fine. I don't feel the necessity of Shastra to study. Shastra says, bhakti, the devotion, puja, upasana, we never separate that from Jnana Yoga. Bhakti is not a separate practice from karma, upasana and Jnana Yoga. Bhakti is not a separate practice at all. Please understand. I follow Bhakti Yoga, you follow Jnana Yoga. Wife Bhakti Yoga, husband Jnana Yoga. Illenna wife வந்து Bhakti Yoga, husband is Ashtanga Yoga. Or wife is Karma Yogi, husband is TV Yogi. இந்த மாதிரி தனியா practice பண்ணுவான். There are no many paths, many ways to attain moksha. Understand, bhakti is common. Nowhere in the Upanishad, bhakti yoga is separate and engame chollave illa. Bhakti yoga is common where? In karma yoga. Bhakti yoga is common in upasana yoga. Bhakti yoga is common in jnana yoga. Bhakti yogam illada or karma yogam kadiyave kadiyadu. Bhakti yogam illada or upasana kadiyave kadiyadu. Bhakti yogam illada jnanam kadiyadu. Jnana yogam, what yoga you are following here? Jnana yoga. You have come to this Jnana Yoga means that study you are doing now, you have completed Karma Yoga, which is nothing but Bhakti Yoga. Karma Yoga la, Karma Lakshana Bhakti you have completed. You have completed Upasana also. Swamini, ungalku eppadi theriyavanu kekkadungo. How do you know, Swamini? So firmly you are telling anna. Na oru puja pannadhu kedaiyadu, onnume pannave illaiyenna. I have never done any social service also. How do you say so like that? I have already pointed out, you have come to this class and you are continuing this class and you have completed Karma Yoga, which Karma Yoga included Bhakti. And you have completed Upasana Yoga, included Bhakti. Now you have come to Jnana Yoga. So you need not feel bad. Okay, a temple ku poliye, puja panliye, social service panliye, you have completed. When previous janma, adada, that refined mind da, it desire to study Gita. Illenna in the desire varave varad, impossible. Na chollale, Shastra confirms that. This is one way of understanding. Suppose, in spite of this much clarity, teacher says, Ennamo, innu sandehama irukke enakku. I have not done sufficient puja, I have not gone to any temples and all rituals, I have not done. Suppose you feel bad, Shastra says, doesn't matter, you sit in Bhagavad Gita class. Then what about those practices and all, whatever I have left, that feeling is there, suppose, Shastra says, they all can be accomplished. The phalam of that karma yoga, the phalam of upasana, you can accomplish at the time of Shravanam. Adi pannina enna punyam phalam varumo, varanumo, adi shastram padikkumbodhu kuda varum. Adha yavanartha udapane sarvataha samplutodake. Care of second chapter. Adi gnapakam irkanume. Adi gnapakam illenna innor example. 10 lo 8 number included or not? In 10 number 8 is included? 7 is included, 9 is included. You have come to the 10 now. What is included? Karma yoga is included, upasana yoga is included. Ipo clear? Okay. Therefore, that chitta shuddhi will come if you study Shastra. That upasana mulama our chitta ekagrata also comes in Shastra study. So therefore, you need not feel bad if you have not done sufficient puja or anything, social service. All are included in Jnana Yoga. This Bhagavan Krishna Paramatma said in Bhagavad Gita, Yavanartha udapane sampruta samplutodake tavan sarveshu vedeshu brahmanasya vijanataha. You can check your notes or textbook. Now Lord Krishna is talking about that Jnani. Arjuna, look such a person. What is his nature? Samaha, always equanimous. Samaha, shatraucha mitrecha. Uniform or same towards whom? Shatru and Mitra. Shadanat Shatruhu. Constantly, when a person gives problem, is called Shatru. Constantly, who is doing harm to you, he is called Shatru. So he is so happy in doing harm to others. There is one nice shloka. That shloka says this. Jnani goes to that extent, very, very unique mind Jnani has got. That shloka tells, Man nindaya yadi janaha paritosha imeti. Jnani says, a Mahatma says, suppose anybody is happy by criticizing me, man nindaya yadi janaha paritosham yeti. Suppose by criticizing me, blaming me, if anybody gets happiness, let them get happiness. Nanva prayasa janitoyam anugraho mener. It is anugraha for me if they are happy in blaming me. It is anugraham for me if they are happy in criticizing me. Let them be happy. Let them be happy. Jnani says, why? He is telling, he is giving the reason. What is that reason? Shreyardhino purushaha paritushti hetoho klesharjitanyapi dhanani parityajanti. You might have not heard these words, these type of words. He says, see, to make others happy, generally people spend their money. Okay? To make others happy, what should I do? I will buy something and I give to them. I want to spend something and make them happy. Either family members or friends or neighbors, relatives especially. ஏதோ ஒன்று வாங்கி கொடுக்கணும். எதுக்கு? நான் அவனை சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கணும். So to make them happy, people spend their money with so much difficulty. They have earned money and they are spending. நான் பாரு ஒன்றும் செலவு பண்ணாமலே I am not spending any money, but I am making them happy. I am not spending any money, but I am making them happy. People are spending their money with a lot of difficulty they are earning and spending on others to make them happy. But நான் ஒன்றும் செலவு பண்ணாமலே I am making them happy. Why? They are criticizing me. Let them criticize, let them be happy. Have you heard like this anywhere? This is Jnani's nature. Therefore he says, Manindaya yadi janaha paritoshameti nanva prayasa janitoyam anugrahameva. No prayasa, without any difficulty. What am I doing? I am not having any prayasa, but they are happy because of me. Because of me and because of blaming me. See how he is relaxed now. Jnani is so relaxed. Ada shatraucha mitrecha samaha. Samaha, uniform. Tatha mana apamanayoho. In the same way, Manam means honor. Apamanam means censure. Ninda, mana apamanayoho. Manas level. This manam apamanam happens at the mind level, feeling bad. They are not honoring me. This jnani never expect any garland. Ayyo namak adi podname, honor panname, shalva podaliye. They have not offered me a front chair. All these feelings won't be there. Manam, apamanam, he never take it seriously. These are all at behavior level. Others' behavior level, he is samaha. Mana, apamana, yoho, when he is insulted by others, same. When he is honored by others also, same. What we saw in the Tattva Bodha, really speaking, a person who praise Jnani, who honors Jnani, the Jnani's sanchita punyam, agami punyam ellame, for that person it will come. Whoever worship the Jnani, so that person will get the Jnani's saved punya, not Papa. Punya will come. Papa will go to whom? Who criticize, who dishonor the Jnani, his Papa, previous Janma, Sanchita Papa, Vedadirinda, it goes to that person. So Punya Papa are distributed. Without his will, without his effort, Punya Papas are distributed. Let him take punyam, let him take Papa. He never bothers. It goes, it happens just like that. It happens. Therefore, he is same. Manam and apamanam. Samaha. Then another pair, Shita Vushna Sukha Dukkeshu. Third pair, Shita Vushna Deha Dharma. Deha Dharma. When Shita attacks, cold, attacks to his body, also he undergoes that pain. Some too chill, so painful, little bit. So that also he undergoes. Heart condition also undergoes. There is no disturbance in the mind. Kaika level anamata. Sita Vushna is at a Kaika level. Then Sukha Dukkeshu. That Sukha born out of cold or Dukkha born out of cold or Sukha born out of heat or Dukkha born out of heat, whatever, he is not enamored by them, he is not disturbed by them. Why? Because of his Atmanyeva Atmana Tushtaha. Another quality is Sangha Vivarjitaha. Free from attachment, dependence. Attachment means dependence. Wife always depends on husband. Husband always depends on wife. Children, parents. Parents depending on children. So this dependence, physical dependence, okay. You can depend physically, we have to depend. But emotionally, for your inner peace, inner shanti, you have to depend on yourself. That is the right method. If you depend for your inner happiness on this anatma, other relations, people and all, your shanti will become unpredictable. Therinjuko Sigram. Evada Sigrama Therinjuta, avada nalladhi. Emotionally leaning on people, this is very, very natural. Especially these relations, my husband, my wife, and the my and mamakara. Ivarku mamakaram kadayadu. Sangha vivarjitaha. Next shloka. So Jnani also undergo the prarabdha. Sanchita and agami he can avoid. Next shloka. Tulya ninda stutir mauni संतुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः. Lord Krishna concluding in this 19th shloka that Parabhakta Lakshanani. Bhaktiman, that devotee, Bhaktiman, the person who has devotion, Bhaktiman, Tulyaha. Tulyaha means even, same. When Ninda Stuti, Ninda at Vachika level, verbal level, Ninda, Stuti means praising, Ninda means blaming. Mana, Apamana. Lord Krishna is saying the same thing from the 13th shloka. He is changing the words. At Kaika level, at verbal level, at mental level. We have to sort out. Stuti Ninda done by where? Mentally or physically or verbally. Some people praise you. Some people criticize you, blame you. At what level? Vachika level, Kaika level or Manasa level? Vachika level. So here Vachika level. Vachika na verbal level. Verbal level. Tulya Ninda Stutihi. Naraha, who is a person, Mauni. That Parabhakta is Mauni. The more wiser, the more person is silence. The more person becoming wiser and wiser, not miser, wiser. The more he is becoming wiser and wiser, the more he is becoming silence. Agda Mauni. Never blabber, never talk unnecessarily. Before talking, he filters. Nalla filter panni, scrutiny pannida vaartha vellila varum. He knows or she knows what to talk, when to talk, how much to talk, where to talk, how often to talk, what not to talk, with how much volume to talk. All these things he follows. Very minimum words will come from the mouth. The more ignorant, the more talking come out. That is the sign. Adayanam paathukonga. All people who are all silent are not jnanis. Okay. Some people sit silently all the time. Lazy fellows are there. But all maunis are not jnanis. But all jnanis are maunis. If they talk, suppose they have to talk, they talk only Advaitam. They talk more about Advaitam, non-dual Brahman. They talk less, very less about Dvaitam. So, Vyavahara is very less. Either they dwell in the teaching, or they dwell in the Mananam, or they dwell in only Nididhyasanam, or they are always in their Abhyasa only, Sadhana only, or in that Atma Nishtha. Therefore, at least imitate. Maunam Muninar. Maunathlanda Muni. Mananat iti Munihinar. See, mind is go on talking inside. Mind is talking. Some people don't talk outside. When you don't talk outside, that is the ideal time for mind to talk more inside. That is more dangerous. And that mind is like a volcano. At any time it may burst. So that mind which is talking inside, it is not a healthy mind. That person can never get jnanam. A person who follows first verbal maunam, then thought level maunam. Then he gets another name. Brahmanki maunam ani peru. Sanat Sujatiyanlo Sanat Kumara says maunam means Brahman. Since a jnani knows that I am Brahman, he is Brahman maunam, he becomes Muni. That's Muni anna, not Dadi wala. Okay, Kudumai vechindi or Dadi irunda Muni ani solla kodadu. Muni anna, he is always silent, maximum silent. பேசினா இதுதான் வரும், பிரம்மன் விஷயம்தான் வரும். இல்லைன்னா என்ன இருக்க பேசுறதுக்கு, எல்லாம் மித்யாதான். So no more talking. Therefore reduce talking first. Imitate silence. Then naturally once you become silent, the words you stop, more and more talking you stop, mind start thinking, Once it starts thinking, then you think in higher dimension. This is the first Indriya Nigraham we have to do. Maunam is very, very important sadhana. Avarku deliberately, it is not deliberately he is doing maunam, but he is practicing maunam anadi sadhana time lo over. Now it is spontaneous for him. So imitate for him. Imitate and Krishna sollala, na solren. Imitate and indirectly you have to understand. Santushtaha, same thing he is repeating. He said Santushtaha in 13th shloka, 14th shloka. Santushta satatam yogena. Here again he is giving Santushtaha. Why people repeat? சொன்னதே ஏன் சொல்றார் கிருஷ்ணர் கூட? அரைச்சினமாவே அரைக்கிறதுன்னு சொன்னதே சொல்லக்கூடாது, புனருக்தி தோஷம் இல்லையோ? Okay, even when every speaker is having some type of mannerisms, some word often they use. Every speaker, one or two words, you observe, it is not a dosha, they use often that word. It become a mannerism for them. Unknowingly it comes from the mouth. They do not know, they are talking like that. Some people use therefore, they use continuously therefore. That is why, some people use that is why. அது மாதிரி கிருஷ்ணருக்கு கூட ஏதாவது மேனரிசம் இருக்கா? சந்துஷ்டா. Here it's not so, you can take it as santushtahana. There we have taken a contented person, truptaha artha. Okay, truptaha, that is the meaning. You can take it a different meaning here. Truptaha, that is why he is a non-complaining person. Non-complaining, no complaints. Truptaha only the meaning, because he is truptaha, therefore no complaints. Non-complaining person. Santushtaha, samyak tushtaha. எப்பவுமே போதும் போதும், enough, he says for everything. இது வேணுமான இனஃப், இது வேணுமான இனஃப், நமக்கு கொஞ்சம் வேணும். The more you ask, the more atripti is there. It shows that you are still having that emptiness in artha. Purnatvam varale in artha. Santushtaha ena kenachit. With anything he is contented, and whatever food is available, ena kenachit achannaha, ena kenachit asitaha, shayanaha, wherever whatever bed is available, sleeps. Dunlop foam is available, sleeps. Floor okay, mat okay, carpet okay, spring cot okay, everything is okay. Ordinary person ke spring cot da vedum, adu illenna enna தூக்கம் வரல சுவாமினி என்று அவர் என்ன நல்லா தூங்கிடுவார். He never see the difference. நமக்கு கேம்பில் போனப்போ people don't sleep. என்ன இடம் மாறிடுல சுவாமினி, கொஞ்சம் 2 நாள் ஆகும் ஸ்லீப் போகிறதுக்கு. என்ன கேம்ப் எதுக்குடா, என்ன சாதனை பண்ணுறதுக்கு தானே கேம்ப்பு. People after going to sadhana camp also, there are lot of chooses, choosy, this I want, that I want. இது கொஞ்சம் காஃபி கொஞ்சம் சூடாக குடிக்கவே இல்லை சுவாமி. டீ வேணும், காஃபி வேணும், மில்க் வேணும், மோர் வேணும், இதெல்லாம் வேணும். ஏதோ ஒன்று ஏது இருக்கோ அது பேசாமல் நான் கம்ப்ளைனிங். இது இல்லைன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. இந்த வாட்டி பார்க்க போறேன் கேம்பில், முன்னாடியே டெஸ்ட். அங்கே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இப்போவே கேட்டிருக்காங்க, சுவாமினி நீங்கள் சொன்ன எல்லாம் டார்மேட்டரி சொன்னாரு, அதனால நான் வரலன்னா. எல்லாம் அட்டாச்சு பாத்ரூம்னு சொன்னாள், ஐ எம் நாட் கம்மிங். So Jnani is one who adjusts with any place at any food. Any food is healthy food தானே. Any food, any bed, any shelter, any dress. Even some people give any dress, okay, I will wear. இந்த கலர் எனக்கு பிடிக்காது, இந்த பார்டர் எனக்கு பிடிக்காது. Generally, very very people are choosy and the perfection and the choice is too much. Lot of choice, conditions. இது வேணும், அது வேணும். Likes and dislikes are very very predominant, overpowered the mind. Therefore Lord Krishna says, kenachit ena, whatever is available, food, shelter, idane moodu dane, shelter, food and clothes, this person is happy. Aniketaha. Shankaracharya gives one shloka. Even Bhajagovindam also Shankaracharya says, Suramandira taru moola nivasaha. Suramandira taru moola nivasaha. Sura taru another taru under the tree. He sleeps very nicely. Moola nivasaha shayya bhutalam. He sleeps on the floor also. Ajinam vasaha nar. He wears the deer skin or some ordinary dress he wears, not very particular. The more particular you are, more you want to perfection. A perfectionist, no? Always perfectionist. வீட்டில் இது இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும், அங்கே தான் இருக்கணும், இது இப்படி போகக்கூடாது, அப்படி நகரக்கூடாது. People are like that. The person can never be happy. என்ன, the too perfectionist, no? This is not ideal, no? Not ideal. There are people, எதுவுமே எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சுட்டே இருப்பான், தப்பு கண்டுபிடிச்சுட்டே இருப்பான். சின்னது கூட கரெக்ஷன் பண்ணலாம், ஆனாலும் பட் எவ்ரி திங் பாயிண்டிங் அவுட், பிளேமிங் அதர்ஸ், நாட் குட். பட் திஸ் பர்சன் இஸ் ஏன கேனச்சித் சந்துஷ்டா. அனிகேதா ஹோம்லெஸ். பாவம், ஞானி இஸ் ஹோம்லெஸ். நிகேதன்னா ஹோம். అందుకే హౌస్ ఫ్రంట్లో నికేతనం అని బోర్డు వైపాం. శాంతి నికేతనం, ప్రశాంతి నికేతనం. నికేతనం అన్న హౌస్, అనికేత అన్న హౌస్లెస్, హోమ్లెస్. హూ ఈస్ దిస్ జ్ఞాని? హోమ్లెస్. హౌ కెన్ హోమ్లెస్? జ్ఞాని கிரகஸ்தானுக்கு அவன் ஹோம்ல இருக்கக்கூடாதா? ஞானி ஆகணும்னா எல்லாரும் வீடு விட்டுட்டு போகணுமா சுவாமினி అని கேட்காதீங்க. அனிகேதன்னா 3 meanings we can take. First meaning is sannyasi, parivrajakaha, we can take. Sannyasi is one who is not having a home of his own. இது என்னுடைய வீடு அங்கிறது கிடையாது. Whatever house is available, whoever gives, in that he will stay. Whatever shelter available, that gives. அது கிடைக்கல இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு போயிடுவான். Okay, that person is called sannyasi. Then second one is, second meaning, aniketaha means the one who is not having ownership. Aniketaha means even though he is staying in the house, he is not having any mamakara on that house. That is called aniketaha. அவனுக்கு என்னோட வீடுன்னு அபிமானமே இருக்காது. இது பகவான் வீடு అని இருக்கும் మనసుకుள்ள. That person is called grihastha. Grihastha who is in that house is not having mamakara on that house. He is as good as aniketaha, gnani. Aniketaha nirmamaha ityarthaha. Mama buddhi rahitaha. This is mine. That notion is not there in him. Mama buddhi rahitaha. Mama na ownership, mineness. Third meaning also we can take. That is called third meaning. Third meaning is nirmamaha for grihastha. Okay? வீட்டில் இருந்தாலும் கூட அந்த வீடு மேலே பற்று இருக்காது. அவனு அனிகேதா. சந்நியாசிக்கு சொந்த வீடு கிடையாது. அவர் அனிகேதா. அசல் அனிகேதா யாருன்னா பிரம்மன். பிரம்மனுக்கு வேர் இஸ் அ ஹோம்? He is homeless. Brahman is homeless. Why? Everything is in him. Where he can stay, where Brahman can stay. What is the house for Brahman? வைகுண்டம் అని சொல்லக்கூடாது. கைலாசமோ வைகுண்டமோ பிரம்மனுக்கு வீடு అని சொல்லக்கூடாது. So Aniketahana here Brahman. Brahman cannot have a house. Therefore Brahman is called Aniketaha. Jnani recognize himself as what? Brahman. Therefore, since I am Brahman, I the Brahman never have any house. Therefore I am Aniketaha. Who says? Jnani never say. Krishna Paramatma is telling. Aniketaha Sthiramatihi. This sloka I said, no, Manu, what? Manu Smriti, not Manu Smriti. Mahabharata, Shanti Paramanlo, Shankaracharya quotes. Ena kena chita achannaha, ena kena chita ashitaha, yatra kvachana shayi syat, tam devaha brahmanam viduhu. Wherever he sleeps, whatever available he will eat. And two hands are like a patram. For a sannyasi, bhikshuki, you are not supposed to have patram. Either you have to take cloth, all sambar, vegetables, rice, curds, everything in one cloth. இதெல்லாம் மிஞ்சி உருத்திரி பண்ணும்போது இப்படி எல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு போவான். இல்லைன்னா கை. Two hands you join become what? Patram. You eat food with this patram. And you drink water also with this. So what? I need not carry plate. I need not carry water bottle. இப்போ water bottle அது முக்கியமாக இருக்கணும். So everybody carry water bottle. So he never bothered about water bottle and all. He is taking the hand. சுவாமினி அப்புறம் எனக்கு ஞானமே வேண்டாம் போங்கன்னு சொல்லாது. Just to say, is not very much bothered about these positions. நம்ம மாதிரி கேம்புக்கு ஒரு வாட்டி எங்கே வந்து போனோம்னா ட்ராவலுக்கு யூ சி அவர் ப்ரிப்பரேஷன். அப்பா அவர் ஒரு தோல் போய் மாட்டிட்டு அப்படியே போயிடுவார். நம்ம 4 பேக் இந்த இன்னும் 2 கை கொடுத்த பகவான் இப்போ 2 கை தான் கொடுத்தாரு. 2 more hands பகவான் gives suppose 2 more suitcase will keep எக்ஸ்ட்ரா. இப்போ 2 ஷோல்டருக்கு 2, இந்த கையில் 1, இந்த கையில் 4. ஓகே, இன்னொரு 2 ஹேண்ட் கொடுத்தா இன்னொரு 2 அப்படி மாதிரி అనమాట. సో such person alone is called wise person అని viduhu wise people say. What? So what? Lord Krishna says, such person is dear to me, Arjuna. புரியுறதா? Such a person who is tulya ninda stutir mauni santushto yena kenachit. Such person is priyaha. Stiramatihi means dridha nischyaha. I am Brahman angara jnanam confirmed. And who has firm knowledge. Dridha means firm, doubtless. Doubtless knowledge of the self. Never get doubt. Once in a while, suddenly getting up, asking wife, Nan Brahmavena? You never get doubt like that. You never ask. Once in a while, Sandeham var Swamini. Nan Brahmanena? Sandeham in the Madrilla Varad. Stiramatihi means here of 2nd chapter. Same idea, Lord Krishna pointing out. Sthira prajnaha is called Stiramatihi here. Sthira prajnaha is called Stiramatihi. Next shloka we will read. So finally what? All bouquets and all brickbats are same for this person. இங்கிலீஷில் ஈடியம் அన్నమాట. இங்கிலீஷில் சொல்லணும்னா ஆல் பொக்கேஸ், பொக்கேஸ் என்ன தெரியும் இல்லையோ, பீப்புள் வில் கம் அண்ட் கிவ் பொக்கே, ஹலோ ஆல் த பெஸ்ட், பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ் என்ன. சம்டைம்ஸ் தே கிவ் பொக்கேஸ், சம்டைம்ஸ் தே புட் பிரிக் பேட்ஸ் என்ன. பிரிக் பேட்ஸ் என்ன, தே த்ரோ ஆல் ஸ்டோன்ஸ். ஸ்டோன்ஸ் என்ன அர்த்தம், தே பிளேம். பிரிக் பேட்ஸ் அண்ட் பொக்கேஸ் ஆர் ஓகே. ஏன்னா ஹீ இஸ் பியாண்ட் பாடி மைண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ். இந்த பாடி மேலே ஒரு அபிமானம் இந்த ஃப்ளஷ் பிளட்டுக்கு தானே. தட்ஸ் வை தேர் இஸ் ஒன் ஸ்டோரி. ஒன் பர்சன் வாண்ட் டு அட்டெண்ட் ஏ மேரேஜ் ரிசெப்ஷன். Some poor person, he don't have even a suit to boot. Marriage reception, big rich person, people, very rich person வீட்டில் மேரேஜ். அங்கே போகணுன்னா யூ ஹாவ் டு வேர் சம் கோட்டு பூட்டு சூட்டு. இவனுக்கு ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. அப்படி என்ன பண்ண, சும்மா போனா மேபி தே அலோ అని చెప్పి when he went there near the door, they didn't allow him. They didn't allow him by seeing the dress, very very dirty dress, not having costliest dress. They sent him away. What he did, நல்ல பசி இருக்கு உள்ள, என்ன பண்றது, he went to a shop and taken higher dress, higher for higher, ஒரு 1 hourக்கு ஒரு ஹையர் பண்ணி கோட்டு சூட்டு பூட்டு போட்டு he went to that marriage. And that person alone, he didn't remember the same person. அவ்வளோ வேஷம் டர்பன் கிர்பன் போட்டு நல்ல பெரிய கோட்டு போட்டு he went there. And they allowed him inside. He went inside and sitting nicely, eating, enjoying everything. Enjoying, you think enjoying. He is not eating. After eating, koncham, he is keeping in his pockets also. Koncham in the pocket. Inga saapudu solla dress ki. He is telling to his dress, koncham saapudu. Rasgulla saapudu. Idu saapudu, adu saapudu. Then all people saw him. Hey, what you are doing? Are you mad? How a dress can eat? How you are asking dress? He said, I know the dress cannot eat, but you have invited me after seeing this dress, no? Not me. You have invited me inside by seeing this dress. Therefore, I am feeding the dress. Therefore, people invite like that by seeing your dress. This person will not bother. லோகம் அப்படி, விவகாரம் எப்படின்னா, if you are looking so nice, they invite you, வாங்கோ வாங்கோன்னு. If you are not, இப்போ காரில் வந்தா வாங்கோ வாங்கோன்னு. வரும்போது பன்னீர், போகும்போது தாம்பூலம். அதே மாதிரி துக்கம் வரும்போது பன்னீர், வாங்கோ வாங்கோன்னு. போகும்போது துக்கம், சுகம் போகிறதுன்னு என்ன அர்த்தம், துக்கம் வருதுன்னு அர்த்தம். அப்போ என்ன கொடுக்கணும், தாம்பூலம். ஆயாராம் கயாராம் என்ன, ஆகத்தம் கச்சந்தம் நிவாரயேத், ஆகத்தே ஸ்வாகதம் குர்யாத், கச்சந்தம் ந நிவாரயேத். Sukha comes, welcome it. If Sukha goes, Dukkha is going to come, na nivarayet. If Sukha is going, don't stop it. It will go. Why? You cannot stop. It is your prarabdha. Last shloka. Ye tu dharmyamritamidam यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्धाना मत्परमाः भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः. அப்பா சொன்னார் ஒரு பையனுக்கு, என்ன சொன்னார்னா, எல்லா உறவும் நல்லது, வாட் எவர் கம் இஸ் குட். இன் தமிழ் இட் இஸ் தேர். வாட் எவர் வரவுன்னா வரதெல்லாம் நல்லது. ஓகே, வரவு என்ன அர்த்தம், வரது. வாட் எவர் கம்ஸ் இஸ் குட், வாட் எவர் செலவு இஸ் பேட். இப்படி சொல்லி கொடுத்தார். பிசினஸ் మాట. பிசினஸ் father taught to his son who is entering into the business. அப்பா ட்ரைனிங் అనమాట. என்ன ட்ரைனிங், அப்பா பையனை புரிஞ்சுக்கோ, வாட் எவர் இஸ் செலவு is bad, whatever varavu is good. So this person went to an astrologer, this boy. He went and asked, the astrologer telling, Shani varavu anna. Shani varavu anna. Oh, varavu. Shani varavu anna. Oh, very good, very good. Yeah, father said, whatever comes is good. Shani varavu anna. Aha, thank you, actually poita. And he told his father, Father, Shani varavu. You said whatever varavu is good. So Shani varavu said, Ennada anna. Amma, Shani varavu anna. Shani varavu anna, avladha selavu. So all varavu is not good. Shani varavu anna, it is not good. Like this, world people have this estimation. Selavu varavu anna. இவனுக்கு எல்லாமே ஒண்ணுதான். அது மாதிரி never do spend time for prayaschitta karma, parihara karma, all these things. Going to this temple, that temple. ஐயோ ஒரு வீட்டில் உட்கார்ந்து நல்லா ஜபம் பண்ணக்கூடாதோ, பண்ண மாட்டேன். ஜபம் பண்ண, தியானம் பண்ண, ப்ரேயர் பண்ண, ஆல் திஸ் ஆப்ஸ்டிகல்ஸ் வில் கோ அவே. அது பண்ணலாம் இல்லையோ, ஒழுங்கா சந்தியாவந்தனம் பண்ணலாம் இல்லையோ, அதை விட்டுட்டு ஊரூரை சுத்துறா. காயத்ரியை பண்ணாவே எவ்வளவோ புண்ணியம், lot of punyam, bad prarabdham will be nullified. Lord Krishna concludes. Finally also he says Priyaha. Priyaha. All see, after saying this much, what about other people? Are they not Priyaha, dear to Bhagavan? Bhagavan says, they are also dear to me. They are also dear to me, he says. Idam dharmyamritam yatha uktam paryupasate. Whoever practice paryupasate, meditate upon paryupasate, whoever totally faithfully pursue me. Paryupasate you can take as a pursuit, who take as a Lord alone is my goal. Idam dharmyamritam paryupasate. With having what notion? Second line he says, Shraddhadhanaha. Shraddhadhanaha matparamaha bhaktaha te ativa me priyaha. Amma, what mother says? Second son get Kanna. She is hugging that child, second son. And she is showing lot of love and so much affection. The first son is looking at mother. You are always loving only that my brother, but you are not loving me. No, I love you also. And she embraced. Adi madri Lord Krishna, they are also ativa me priyaha. Ativa me priyaha. This person is jnani. He is dear to me. Bhagavan is telling. What about other people, karma yogis, upasakas and all, they feel bad, no? So, Bhagavan and Chulido. You are also ativa priyaha. I love them also. Who are they? Mat paramaha shraddhadhanaha. Mat paramaha means those who are having me as their ultimate goal. They are all in the process. Karma yogamo, upasana yogamo, edi pannalum kuda one day or other they are coming to me only. So they are all in the process only. Mat paramaha. Te bhaktaha. Those devotees, sadhaka bhakta. These are all sadhaka bhaktas, karma yogis, upasana yogis. And the path 4 ladders, 5 ladders. Final jnani is dearest to me. What about karma lakshana bhaktaha? Kama karma, nishkama karma, upasana, ekarupa upasana, vishwarupa upasana. Ella gnapam irko. In the chapter? Amma, thank God. Okay, in the chapter, what are all the four, first, sixth, second, third, fourth step people also are all in the process. They are keeping me as their goal. That's why religion and spirituality based on Veda, Bhagavan says, Yathoktam paryupasate. They practice exactly prescribed by me in Vedas. Dharmyamritam, idam dharmyamritam. Whatever the teaching I have given in this chapter, that whole thing in this manner, whoever take up into their life, shraddhadhana, with full shraddha, with total faith and artha, diligently, wholeheartedly, whoever follow all these prescriptions given by Shastra. Dharma means chodana, lakshana, arthaha, dharmaha. Whatever is prescribed by Shastra and permitted by Shastra to do, that is called dharma. Whatever prescribed by Shastra to do, whatever is not prescribed by Shastra and Shastra says not to do, and whoever follow that is called, that person is called Madbhaktaha. Bhaktaha, Shraddhadhanaha, with full faith in Shastra. Shastra eppur question pannakoodadu. Idu correcto, illiyo? And never question the Shastra, never doubt the Shastra. No doubt on the Shastric injunctions. Shardham, Tarpanam, in the puja, vidhanam, mantra, homam, all these things we are not supposed to ask. When you are doing Abhishekam also, why you are wasting milk? Why you are pouring curds? Don't say. Why you are putting everything in the homam, fire, burning, everything? Don't ask. Shastra prescribe. Therefore do that. This is called Dharma, Shastra given by that Lord Dharma. Therefore, Dharmyamritam means idam karma, lakshana, upasana, karma lakshana, upasana lakshana, ekarupa, visharupa, idellame dharmyam anartham. Moksha sadhana bhutam, amrutam ante moksha sadhanam. That dharma by following which you attain immortality, amrutam, moksha, that is called dharmyamritam. By following which dharma, first step, second step, third step, fourth step, that is dharma, following injunctions. What for all these sadhanas? To attain moksha. That is called amrutam. So, mokshakyam amrutam yad sadhana dvara prapnoti tat sarvam dharmyamritam. Idam, whatever I said until now, this mokshakyam dharmyam Veda anusarina. Veda anusarina. Yathoktam, exactly taught by me. Yatha muktam. Aham aksharam brahma atma. You have to recognize. I have given the practices, all sadhanas, follow them. Don't question why. You do with Shraddha, Bhakti, and keep me as your ultimate goal, and you will come to that. Finally. That's why he says, Yathoktam. Exactly as said in, mentioned above. All the ladders in matter. First step, second ladder, step by step. That ladder you have to follow. Ekarupa bhakti pannanuma, Vishwarupa bhakti pannanuma, edikilla idella, enakku idha pidikum, adha pidikum, sollakudadu. Pidikumo, idhilanu iru. Afterwards you will come slowly to that. I like only social service ani sollakudadu. I like only Ekarupa upasana ani sollakudadu. I like only Vishwarupa ani sollakudadu. Sollakudada? Ye sollakudadu? Sollalam. Analu one day or other you have to understand the Shastra, whatever Shastra says. Even vehemently if you say this is only right, I want this only, I cannot do that. Okay. Bhagavan says, Okay, take your own time. Take your own time. That's why a person who studies Shastra will get a broad vision. A person who gets Shastra, he accommodates everything. He sees Ekarupa people who is worshipping, okay. Vishwarupa people, okay. Kama karma, okay. Nishkama karma, okay. Everything okay. Ama, all sadhanas are okay. What about moksha, jnana? Adila choice kadiyadu. Idila choice one by one you can cross. Finally you have to come to that moksha. That is dharmyamritam idam yathoktam paryupasate. They are all ativa priyaha me. They are all very, very dear to me. Since they are all jnanis, they are going to become jnanis. Would be jnanis. Okay? Would be jnanis. Would be doctor. First year doctor and what? You can put in invisible way. So and so name, bracket lo, jnani. You don't write outside, okay. Chumma chalva. Jnani. Would be jnani. Either you are a siddhaha, either you are jnani now or you will become a jnani. With this, Lord concludes this 12th chapter titled 12 Bhakti Yoga. Om Tat Sat Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Bhakti Yogo Nama Dvadashodhyayah. Om Tat Sat. With this chapter we are concluding Madhyama Shatkam. Madhyama Shatkam is that Tatu Tvam Asi Mahavakya Vicharanlo Tvam Pada Vichara we saw in the Prathama Shatkam. First 6 chapters, Tvam Pada Vichara over. Individual, inquiry into individual nature, Jivatma Vichara. From 7th chapter onwards up to 12th chapter, Tat Pada Vichara or Ishvara Swarupam, inquiry into the nature of Paramatma. That is the Madhyama Shatkam, the essence. Ishvara Swarupa Jnanam. Tatpada Vichara means what? Inquiry into the nature of Paramatma. Or you can put knowing that Ishvara Swarupam or Ishvara Swarupa Jnanam. Knowledge, such a vital knowledge you see. Who is God? Where is God? Now you should not have any questions in the mind. After studying Ishvara Swarupam, basic knowledge is what? God exists. God created the world. God became the world. World is nothing but God. This is called Ishvara Swarupa Jnanam. Who is God? God is none other than mixture of Apara Prakriti and Para Prakriti. So that Lord is all pervading. We have understood. In Vishwarupan Dwara we have understood. 7th chapter Mulama we have understood what? Apara Para Prakriti mixture Maya Sahitam Brahma alone is Ishvara. We have understood. Knowing this way, and you have to worship the Lord. Not out of fear. You have to worship the Lord out of reverence. Out of bhakti, out of shraddha you have to worship. How long you are going to worship Bhagavan with fear? It is insulting Bhagavan. Worshipping Bhagavan out of fear, it is insulting Bhagavan. We are insulting Bhagavan. Here, நான் பார்த்தா என்ன பூச்சி மாதிரி இருக்கேன்னா பயங்கரமா இருக்கேன்னா why you are afraid of me? Why you are frightened of me? Bhagavan is asking. You have to embrace Bhagavan. You have to love Bhagavan. You have to command Bhagavan. You have to kunjurdan சொல்லுவான் இல்லையா, you have to Bhagavan கிட்ட you can beg, you can love Bhagavan. அப்படி இருக்கணும் பகவான். இது தெரியாமல என்னென்னமோ பண்றோம் பகவான் பூஜை பூஜை பூஜான்னு. Bhagavan is really showering his blessings all the time in the form of consciousness, existence, principle in every form. So whole world is Bhagavan is appearing in different forms. What am I seeing now? What am I seeing? I am seeing Bhagavan in different forms. Vandado? அந்த மாதிரி notion varanam. That notion have to come. That is called real bhakti. So tatpada vichara in the Madhyama Shatkam. What comes from 13th chapter? Gatti Melam. Asipada vichara, Aikya vichara we are entering. From 13th chapter. So very important topics we have concluded. Now on the Jivatma, first Shatkam, the Paramatma, Madhyama Shatkam are one and the same. சொல்ல போறோம். அவர் one and the same இல்ல, நான் அந்த பரமாத்மான்னு சொல்லணும். That is called Om Tat Sat. Om is Paramatma ke peru. Tat enna that Paramatma. Sat is Paramatma ke name. Tat Sat. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So in this Bhagavad Gita, what is the essence of Upanishads? Saram. Brahma Vidya is the Saram. And Yoga Shastra, sadhanas were given here. Lot of sadhanas. Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvada. This dialogue is between whom? Sri Krishna and Arjuna. 12th chapter is over. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.